Hello guys and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you cancel an order on Amazon Prime, so shopping edition, right? So that's basically it. So what we're going to do in this video, click here. Wait, let me just, so I don't have any orders in the moment, but let's say if you have an order that you want to cancel out, just click here on returns and orders. So your orders are going to be shown here. As you can see that I don't have any orders at the moment. You're going to see yes, not yet shipped, digital orders, and you could basically click on canceled orders if you want to basically cancel out an order that you have availed on the actual commerce face on the application itself, right? So yeah, that's how simple and easy it is. Just track it on orders and it'll just cancel it from there. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tutorials. I hope this video has been any help. You guys have a nice day.